All right, cool. So what did price do right here? Price came right here. It dropped all the way down to what? This zone. This zone right here. Right? So what are we expecting price to do with this? Ooh, trying to be able to navigate. All right, cool. We're expecting price to do what? Drop at this level right here. So we do have swing TPs. We think price
XAUUS.
decides to drop down right here. Our last final TP is going to be 1910. That's going to be what? Above this zone. Why is our TP not going? Why is our final swing TP not going to be in here? Well, we know that if price wants to come and react off the zone, it can potentially come on right, tap the zone, and then go up. So I'm expecting price to come to at least right here, and then at that point you can start taking position, taking away entries off that if you're swinging. That's if you decide to swing. But either way, we're risking what? 68 pips for potential what? Um, if you're swinging, you know what I'm saying? Scalping, just scalp TPs for that. 68 pips for potential what? 300? You know what I'm saying? That's a really good ratio. That's a 1 to 5 ratio. 320. That's a 1 to 5 ratio. That's a really good trade. So if price breaks through this support, if it breaks through the support, we can expect the price is going to continue to keep pushing down. But enough about gold. Let's look for other stuff. What is price doing? It's respecting. It's respecting. So if we get the push that we need, hopefully during London session, then we can expect that price is going to start working its way all the way back down.
Like he's live right now.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So now what are we going to do? So first thing we need to do, we need to look to see what pairs are going to be weak and what pairs are going to be strong. So that way we know how we are going to attack the day. Okay, so right here, we're looking at this. We know what the USD is strong. So anything against the USD for the most part is going to be buying, right? Anything versus the USD is going to be buying for the most part. British pound, USD, cool. So that's knowing that, just having a, like I said, having a mental note. Now we know that hey, US dollar is weak right now. So this looks like a descending triangle. I believe. Could be wrong. Hold on one bit. My bad, I was on mute. My bad. I was talking this whole time. Wow. Can y'all hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I was just talking to myself. All right, cool, for sure. Yeah, so looking for things that are +1 or SO. Ooh, okay. So we got one right here. NZD USD. Looking like an evening star coming. It's looking like an evening star.
Okay.
Oh, so we're looking at oil. Oh, let's go to Nas. Let's see what Nas doing. So, like I said, pivots is $22, but like I said, it does the support and resistance for you. I mean, you can't beat it. If you struggle with support and resistance, it does it for you. You know what I'm saying? Just knowing things once it gets to R7, R8, +1, you know that price can potentially do what? Sell. I go right here to strategy 2. It literally tells you exactly what price can do once it gets this level. Look at this. R8, sell. What did price do? So price came to R8, what did it do? Sell. Price
Go.
came to R8, what did it do?
Brush your
Sell.
teeth.
Imagine how easy, imagine like what you can do with that.
I need my phone.
I'm gonna mute everybody. If you have a question, just unmute yourself. Oh, it's looking good.
Are the pivots just showing you zones of like basically reactive zones?
So it's drawing the support and resistance up for you. It's showing you where zones, just zones where price can potentially reverse. Right here is arranging data, basically telling us whenever price gets to R8, you could be looking for sales. Seeing that R8 has sold in the past. So support and resistance is no different than what I already got here, but it just does it for you. And it tells you, kind of gives you an idea. But if we know that price is at a R8 +1, +2, +3, we know price is at a overbought condition.
Mm-hmm.
So us knowing that price is at an overbought condition, so you can see it. So us knowing that price is at an overbought condition, we can look for sales. I'm trying to show you the difference on this trade real quick so you can see. Even more trading. No, it's only 46 pips. It's not a lot of pips.
You're better right foot, and you get an assist off scanning and someone kill him.
Yeah, like I said, if you got questions, just unmute yourself. Okay, so we got oil right here. So we're gonna ignore all these stuff right now. Cool. Okay, so we're looking for the bio oil. So I'm just looking at the news real quick, see what's out there, so I know. USD is keeping above 1 hour movement as buyers look to try and keep near term control. AUD is leaned on 100-hour moving hours before climbing back. I think we had one. What did it say about gold? I think something. Germany chancellor sets the whole video conference. I've seen that. Germany reports. Yeah, that's what GDP is weak. It's not important. So you got red folder. So I'm thinking oil is about to buy. I just need some candlesticks to confirm that. Probably making into this oil. Wow. But yeah, oil's looking good. Ah, fuck. Sheesh, something pulling over. What one is it? All right, so we can pull back a little bit, but we can get oil for the buy. Where I say what? All right. All right. Once it pulls back a little bit, we can get in. Damn, hopefully it does. We get in for the buy. Just needs to pull back a little bit. I see it went down. Need to pull back a little bit. Yeah, this looks good. This thing don't want to push down. Yeah, we just need this thing to pull back a little bit. Mhm.
Hey, my bad. What site is that? The last one you had, like the Forex Factory. What site was the next one?
Yeah. Forexfactor.com.
No, the next one you had, the one when you're explaining the USD.
Currency strength. Live charts. Live charts. Live charts CO. You just type in currency strength on Google. It's the first thing that'll come up. Wow. This guy, USOil, man. You know, oil is so volatile. Like, this thing has no regard to feelings. But if this thing can come back down here a little bit, then we'll get in because we know it has got head and shoulders. It's a lot oversold. What happened there? Yeah, oversold. Came to support level. Look at the trend it's been doing. Like, also draw a line. I don't think this thing, I don't know if this thing's gonna come back down. I just know once it gets closer to London session, it's gonna start moving. Yeah, we just looking for a good entry. I mean, because we got it now, which is fine. We'd have to put our stops below right here, which is cool. But I think that's what, 50, 53, 52 pips for the swing, you know? Now, potential is what, though? If it follows the trend, it can go anywhere 200. So, I mean, I don't know what happened. Without saying, if we got it now, which is cool, you know, it runs the risk of what? We'll be a 50 pip SL, which is not bad. It's just, you know, we want to minimize as much risk as possible, but we know that the potential for this can go all the way back up. Why do we know that? Just following this trend, we know that price can push all the way back up. So I mean, we got our confirmations oversold, got the head and shoulders formation. That's the candlestick formation. If you want to actually look at maybe got the bullish pin bar. Yeah, we may have to just. I'll wait. It's gonna come back down a little bit, hopefully. But we know where it's gonna go. We know it's gonna go up. It's just, can we get a better entry? Why? So we can kind of reduce the amount of risk that we are going to have for this trade, because you know it's a 50 pip SL. Although you need a higher SL with oil. Why do I say that? Because you're not entering. You want to be entering off these levels right here. Those are going to be the best chances and best opportunities. You know, I'm really not trying to enter when it's already like pushed up like this, because then I run the risk of it can pull back and then keep going up. But these red lines are going to be the best entries for you. So really, honestly, just waiting for the best entry. Now, will it take off without us? Yeah, it can do that. I think that's when the patience comes in. That's when the patience comes in. I mean, it's following this trend. We got what we want. It's in an uptrend. Price is oversold. Yeah, this thing's pushing up. Yeah, price is oversold, right? So we got prices oversold. We got the head and shoulders formation. We got the dojis right here, indicating that the sellers have left the market. Price about to start buying. We got a major support level right here that's holding price up. We know price can come up to this point right here, and then it could be reversing. Why do we know that? Well, we just know that anytime price is coming to a resistance level, if it doesn't want to break through that level, then what can it do? It can react and go the opposite way. So, like I said, we know what we want to do with it. It's just the question is, are we going to be able to get the entry that we want to minimize the amount of risk that we are going to be in the trade? Because we can get in now, but now what if price decides to just push down right here, all the way down and tap this level again before it actually starts to buy? Then at that point, it's like, do you want to be in drawdown 40 pips? Nah. I'm 45 pips. I don't, if I don't have to. So, we got everything we want. Oversold, head and shoulders. We got the candlestick, reversal candlestick patterns. We have price moving closer to liquidity, getting closer and closer to what we think it may do. Yeah. Like I said, it's just more a matter of time. I think that's the hardest part about trading, is just more being patient and relaxed, and then being okay that, the trade that you may be looking for the night, and you may miss out on it. So, but yeah, just waiting. Because the price may be pushing down a little bit. You got doji right there, so price is pushing up a little bit, pushing down. See, prices dropping. It may come back or test this level, or it may come down and test this. But we see that has some bearish momentum. Kind of example, we had entered in right here and just said, fuck it, we're just gonna enter. And we'd be a little, we'd be concerned of what's actually about to happen right here, because it could keep pushing down. Like I said, we're not gonna be on this one. I'm gonna literally call the trades that I think is good, and we'll be off. I just want y'all to kind of see why I'm calling them, so that way, when we win the trade, you can see why. Yeah, I know I haven't really been doing this as much as I normally do, but it's NFP week right now, so things are moving a little faster. But yeah, here in the future, in this next couple of weeks, I'll start doing it a little more often. Maybe going back to our normal schedule of 3 times, 4 times if it's a really, really good week, and just be doing live trading so y'all can see why I'm calling stuff. The Euro JPY, that one did end up hitting TP. I personally closed. I seen something in there I didn't like, and I'm not, like I said, I'd rather close in profit than to have y'all just be, like I said, I'm always a firm believer. If I'm not 100% in the trade, if I don't think in my right mind that it's gonna go the way I think it is, then I'd rather close y'all in profit than sit there and just watch the trade go negative. But I ended up hitting TP1, so I know I got a few messages of people that actually held. So if it hit TP1, that's really good for you. But that's good. Sometimes you just gotta trust your analysis, and it is what it is. But like I said, I seen something that I didn't like in there, so I said, you know what, I'd rather close in profit than to have that regret of like, damn, I should have said something. I should have did something about it. So if I'm not 100% confident, I'm not going to get in. Or I'm not going to stay in the trade. There's going to be so many other trades, and I think that's one thing I had to realize. Trading, there's always thousands of other trades, so you can't be just so bent over one trade. If that makes sense. Okay, so oil's pushing down. It's a good example of why you want to wait. Wait. Had we gotten the trade there, we're always, you can't mind being a drawdown, but that's not a good entry at all. Right here at the top, that's just not a good entry. You always want to get it on the pullbacks. Remember, impulsive, retracement, impulsive. You're looking for a retracement to get in there. That makes sense for everybody. So kind of like with oil, just to show you why pivots is such an amazing tool. And that's why I use that for every confirmation before I get into the trade. Look how this is matched up with this. Look at this right here. Right here. It's matched up exactly the same. Great for anyone that is not. Yeah, for anyone that is not really that good with support and resistance, it's a really good tool. Something I advise take a look at for sure. So just waiting. If you can get down here, that's pretty cool. What I want to see, I want to come see price retrace, and then I want to go to like 1 minute or 5 minutes to show that. So after I know it's retracing, to get the best entry, to see if there's gonna be some candlesticks or something like that, it's gonna tell me that price is gonna go in our favor to actually then hop into the trade. Okay. I don't know if anybody's still in gold. I'm still personally in it right here at TP, but I finish this little double bottom. Yeah. Price starts, like I said, all we need, if gold, if it breaks this support down here, it's going to continue to keep dropping. What's so important, you always take profit, always take something, so that way you're not leaving, It's like you understand, like you can build your accounts small, you can build your account small and work your way up. Because all it takes is one trade on the right day, and next thing you know, you up. So it's really just trading is more just, compounding, and then waiting for that big opportunity to flip your account. Like today, had I would have been able to, I would have called it, but I wasn't able to. This whole sale right here, these are the opportunities that come. They don't come very often, but they do come, and you can take advantage of them. So this sale right here, a lot of people capitalize on that. Me personally, I caught it up here in the morning, but like I said, it wasn't good enough for me to call. So that's why I didn't call. All right, but let's go back to the currency strength meter to see if anything changed. So we can start looking at some other pairs just in case oil doesn't get to the place we at. So we still got the USD. It's going to be weak. AUD is strong, NZD is strong, GBP is semi-strong, JPY is strong as well. So let's see, is there any indicators, anything that we're getting that's going to give us the idea? Looks like price is doing a you go. So I like to see. That is what I like to see. Dropping. Mm-hmm. So I could see this selling. I can see it selling. So I'm honestly not really seeing nothing other than this oil. Honestly, not seeing nothing. Yeah, I'm honestly not seeing nothing that look good other than this oil. Honestly, I'm not seeing anything. Mm-hmm. right there. I got the pole. I'm still doing faithful moves. Mm-hmm. Somebody got any questions or anything? All right. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I like that. That's why it's so important with this oil. You know, you can't just hop into it because it looks good. Mm-hmm. I'm not seeing anything, honestly. The only thing is oil. I don't like this either. Because it closes like this. That's a tweezer top. That could be a continuation, seeing that it's ranging. It could be a continuation. I mean, it is giving us what we want as far as prices dropping down. It's giving us what we want, and this is the pullback we were looking for. But like I said, you have to see. We got 10 minutes left. Let's see how it starts reacting. Just keep following. So my alert's gonna alert me. Mhm. This is the importance of not rushing trades and just relaxing. Because had we would have got up here, we'd be in drawdown right now. It wouldn't be looking too good. Not saying anything's wrong with drawdown, but this is not a good entry right here. It's just not a good entry. Let's see if it respects either the support or respects this minor support right here. Just patience. Let's see. It is forming a tweezer top right here. So depending on if that closes like that kind of gives a good idea of what's actually going on. It's already oversold. Giuseppe's. This might be it. Let's see. Let's see if it respects it. Do I think it's going to break this trend? I was hoping we would redo this a little bit. Mm-hmm. Got 5 minutes to see how this thing's gonna close. Mm-hmm. Mhm. Okay. All right. I'm gonna buy USOil. This me a 40 pip SL. A 42 pip. Damn, KOT spread on oil is ridiculous. That shit's nuts. Damn. Damn, that spread is ridiculous. So we can put S at 47. Why is it spread, man? The spread is nonsense. So if you got FX choice, the spread is like what? The spread is 3 pips. If you like KLT and the spread is like 9. First TP is going to be 47.85. No, 84. 47. TP2 is going to be 47.48. Yeah, just make sure y'all using the Stingy app for proper risk management. Typically risk about, depending on the trade, it could be anywhere from 5 to 10%. But yeah. We still got a long week ahead of us, so it could be good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See if we can break this resistance. If we break this resistance, we can. Yeah, I didn't see anything else. We get this thing to break resistance, we'll be good. We'll be good. Anybody got any questions, anything? No questions. We can look for other things as well. Oh, sweet. Yeah, we called oil for the buy. Did y'all not hear me, or was it anybody else? Did anybody else did not hear me? Nah, you good, man. You good. If you didn't get the entry that we got, then just make sure you use proper risk management. So just in case we are in drawdown, you can add pop another lot size. But yeah, I mean, I think we're only up like what, 3 pips, 4 pips, 5 pips, just depending on what you got in. But like I said, we need out of this trade. We just need this to break this. If we can break this resistance level, we'll be solid. We'll be good. Like I said, I wish there was some more trades to get into tonight. I'm not really seeing nothing, I'm not seeing anything that I like. I'm not going to be calling stuff, just because. Things get a little more active during the middle of the week anyways. Trends start forming and stuff. So like I said, we'll just let this one play out, see how it goes. It'll be good. Oil is very volatile. That's why you got to use. That thing can jump up 10 pips. It can go it can just jump up so quickly. So that's why it's so important that you are, understanding risk management and understanding what we're actually doing. Oil is so volatile. It moves like an indice. but it's energy though. Moves like an indice, but it's an energy. Moves like an indice. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so we got good head and shoulders. To see if you respect this shoulder right here. Get the push up that we need. Sometimes you gotta also you gotta invert that scale. Because sometimes, I don't know about y'all, but I'll be kind of biased on the sales. Sales just for some reason just feel so much better. But sometimes I like to invert the scale, so that way I can kind of train my mind. Like, okay, would I sell that? You know what I'm saying? That helps with me. Would I sell that? That kind of lets me know. Okay, if I would sell that, then I can flip that off and then buy. Because sometimes be realistic. Sometimes you're biased. I know I am. Sometimes I always want to sell. Is there a TP I can get in? Oh, did you not get the TP? Let me put the. Yeah, also, for anyone that, like I said, I don't do as many live sessions as I normally do, but we do have educators, 6-figure and 7-figure educators like myself that do hop on here and do live trading. I know Kim Torres does it as well. Lotto Bands does it. So they call out trades just like this and smack TP. So, if you're plugging in, definitely a lot of opportunity to make some money. Definitely, for sure. So for those who don't know, Lee Allen, Kim Torres, and Lotto Bands, all those are people that I call trades for our investment group. So I actually let me just go to that so that way, because I know there's a lot of new people on the team that are on here. Hold on. Let me go ahead and show y'all so y'all can see. Probably call some more stuff in the morning as well too. I mean, you just gotta wake up on time. Okay, right here. So if you go to IM Center, yeah, like I said, for anyone that I know is new, we have a couple new people on the team as well that are on the call. But if you go to Go Live Sessions right here, you have access. My personal favorite, the one I watch, I typically enforce kind of things that she does. I do Kim Torres. She's really good. Actually, had a pleasure to see her actually in person. But yeah, I just go click on her, and then like I said, she typically has her schedules, and they have videos of live recording sessions for you to watch, so that way you're getting educated as well, and you get to watch live tradings to make money. So yeah, just plugging in, definitely get paid off that. Like I said, there's other educators as well. Ron Bands, he's pretty good as well. So just being able to tap into these things, just in case, like I said, I know my schedule's kind of busy and stuff. I'm not always able to do live trading as much as I like to as much. But yeah, definitely. Let's see what this boy was doing. Yeah, but I like this. I like this. We just need this to just push. Got a little tweezer top right there. Let's go to my FX book to see what has been correlating with each other. This is also a good website. This tells you kind of good time when to trade. Go liquidity. It's gonna actually tell you when the most liquidity is actually going on in the market. So yellow, Sydney session, blue, London, Tokyo, red is New York. Okay, so this right here, the best trade sessions to trade, if anyone didn't know, it's going to be New York. New York is going to be the most liquidities in the market. Then it's going to be London. It's going to be Tokyo. I personally don't trade Sydney. Honestly, I think it's useless. Let's see. Hold on. So that's that makes sense. Okay, Tokyo. Hold on. What is everything? Okay, 8, 9. Something that's looking Tokyo. Oh, so London session does go all the way until 8:30 a.m. Wow, didn't know. Oh, I see what they're saying. Because New York is I think this is messed up. Either way, the best sessions to trade is going to be New York. New York's going to be the best session to trade, and it's going to go London. Always look at this. So average liquidity, if there's not much liquidity going on, that means, typically it's not really the best time to trade. You'll see kind of the liquidity going up. As you can see, this gap's 363%. So just to see the difference kind of with NFP week, look at these highs right here, right? Look at these highs, and then kind of look at these lows and towards December. This is NFP. It's more volatile, just something to be aware of. So it's picking up liquidity. So that means moves will be made a little bit faster. What we need to do, we can break this resistance up here. We know it'll continue to keep going up. That's all we need to do. So all we need to do is break that resistance. You look right here, what do prices do? Change directions, change direction, change directions all through here. So that's telling me that that is a demand zone. So watching my US 30 for the potential buy. I think we were talking about that earlier today. I think it's going to continue to keep buying. I don't see why it wouldn't. Indices. Yeah, It's gonna keep buying. If I would have seen this would have been a good time to get in for the buy. All it did was come right here, retest this level, make the tweezer bottom that it needs. Sure, if we look to our left right here, notice that the tweezer bottom was created right here. The same thing with this. Same thing with this. Notice how price reverses. As reversing, comes right here, pushes up, retest, retest, push up. Yeah, I think it's about all the way back up. I mean, keep in mind, remember what we were talking about, Austin, that has to correct itself. Yeah.
Nah, yeah. You're right. It's starting to correct itself from the drop that it had earlier today, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like I would love to call US30 stuff, but I just know people be over leveraging, bro. And then like
US30,
I
you
can't
be messing
afford,
around with.
yeah. Because people over leveraging on gold and they over leveraging on all this stuff. If they getting US30, like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have money for that. If you're not prepared to lose 200, 300 at least on US30, then you shouldn't be trading it.
Yeah. Also, Derek, I got a question, bro. So I don't know how my freaking candlesticks changed all these weird colors, bro. How do I change them back
On pivots or trading view?
on Trading View? Like,
Okay, so just go right here.
lines. Do I click on a candle?
Just go to settings.
Okay.
And right here. Symbol.
Symbol. Okay. I bet. Okay. Yeah, bro, my shit changed colors.
We can get a push. Price pushing up right here. That'll be pretty good. That'll be good to what we need. I mean, all we gotta do is get up here. If it breaks this resistance, then we know where it's gonna go. It's gonna go all the way up. All the way up. And so we're getting a push. We're getting a push. Getting a push. We're getting a push. We all should be reaching blue right now. How do you find the stop loss and take profit? Okay. Hey, Perk.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I can do it right here. So I don't think you got the parameters, my guy. Yeah, if you go see, that's the parameters. I don't think you got that, my guy, but there you go.
Did you want me to? You wanted me to put it into the chat?
No, I just put it in there right now. I forgot I had Telegram on my computer.
Okay, bet. Yeah, bro. I don't know what's going on with my candles, bro. These candlesticks are looking kind of weird, and my settings are the same as yours.
Maybe you have to do this. Right click and then color theme. Do light or dark.
Okay.
See, that's just too much for me. I can't do that. I can't look
Yeah,
at this.
hell no, bro. Like, here, I'm gonna text you a picture, bro, of what I'm talking about. Like, it's just weird as fuck, and my candle settings like exactly the same as yours. Let me see. Let me take a video.
Yeah, we just need this oil to get active for sure. But yeah, this thing starts pushing up, man. This thing's gonna go all the way up. Hey, what's up, Vaughn? What'd you say, Vaughn? Hey, is everybody in here that's in the mentorship in the Snipe City? You should have access to the Sniper Academy Dropbox. You know, the thing that's teaching these people how to trade. Like, let me know if you're not getting access to those things, because that's what the Dropbox is there for. You know, so that way you can go in there and I cover topics and I cover things kind of like what we're going through right now. So that way, you know, you always have a video to refer to. So if you're not in the Sniper VIP, not VIP mentorship group chat or the Snipe City investment group, then like let me know. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm glad the Dropbox is helping. You know, like I said, those videos. Five people in that mentorship chat became six-figure traders off that. So it's, you know, it works. You just have to, like, let's be realistic. You know, nobody wants to watch those fucking videos. They're long as fuck. You know, but you have to just watch those videos. You gotta watch them. And it's not just like technicals, it's really just kind of understanding kind of like what things are going on and other things you can be doing to kind of just see, you know, get confirmations to see kind of like what's working. And keep in mind, you know, my strategy is changing up as time goes. You know, I'm adjusting because, you know, you got to adjust in the market. So whenever I'm adjusting, whenever I'm changing things up, I'm gonna be adding things to there. So like, you know, let that just be a resource that you got. So as I start continue to grow, because keep in mind, I don't know everything. I just actually started using indicators as well. So, you know, once I start adding things to kind of like how I trade, seeing what works better, I'll definitely start putting in things in there, more things in there. But like I said, you know, I want to be able to make a decent amount of money before I'm just throwing in something that I don't really know much about. So I'm always going to try out the things. And once I see that I can consecutively be profitable from the new things that I'm teaching, that's when I'll, you know, put the video out there. I'm not gonna put a video out there or something that I'm losing money or I'm not really understanding. All that doesn't make no sense.
Dare you get my video?
I'm looking right now. My bad.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Like, I don't know why my candlesticks look like this.
I think it's. I don't know why it's yellow.
Like, I can't even tell which bullish and bearish.
I don't know why it's like that. I don't know what it is.
Shit. Shit's ridiculous.
Are you using an iPad or your Mac?
Nah, I'm on my PC now.
So you have a Mac and a PC?
Yeah, I have a Mac and a PC.
Oh yeah, because you have your setup, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I don't know why the colors are like this. Let's see if I can do wrong on my phone.
Hmm. Did you do okay? You do settings.
Yeah, like
Did you go to symbol on the settings? I don't see you go symbol.
Okay, here. Yeah, let me show you.
Hmm.
Symbols.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let's see. I'm really surprised at the same amount of people put on here. I ain't gonna lie, I probably called it. I would call it bed. Man, same groups on here though. What's up? What's up? What's up? Make sure you're not giving out the link to anyone that's not part of the mentorship group or the Snipe City investment group. You know, we want to keep the sauce, keep everything between us. You know, we don't want to be giving out stuff for free. Does anybody that's in the Snipe City investment group or mentorship, do you not have access to the Dropbox, or do you not know how to use that, or what? You know, you can put in the chat if you have not looked at the Dropbox. Everybody should have the password to that. If you're in the investment group. If you look at GBPMDD, is funding up to a larger account balance the safer way. I realize, man, that depending on how much money you're trying to make or you're trying to see, you know, you're gonna need some type of capital in there. But I'm a firm believer in don't risk nothing that you can't lose. Like if you can't see that thing gone the next day, then don't have it in there. But like if you're trying to see some money, man, you gotta fund up. There's no point about it, you know what I'm saying? Because like if you're trying to see some money where you're seeing, okay, I'm seeing $300, $200, $400 a day, and I can make withdrawals, and then that money is replacing what you're making at your job type stuff, then you know you got to fund up. You got to.
There, look at the video I just sent you if whenever you get a chance.
Oil so volatile, go up and down, up and down. So you always gotta have like a decent size stop loss oil. Yeah, we're gonna look at GBP I'm gonna look at that. Look at that right now, actually. You gotta have like a decent stop loss oil because that thing will go up, it go down, it go up.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
I haven't traded oil in such a long time. Hey, what were you looking for, Muhammad? What were you looking for on that one? Making the buy, huh? I normally trade. Mm, I usually used to focus on the GBP and GBP pairs, but I'm taking a break from. I'm trying to. I honestly try. Me personally, I'm only trading Nas, gold, and Nas gold. And then I'm trying to transition to US 30, and then I do trade oil sometimes. GBP, JPY, GBP, NZD. I'm not. Like I said, I take every trade that I call. I'm a firm believer in that. So I'm never gonna take a trade and not call it. I'm just never gonna do that. So I do trade currencies, whenever I'm calling signals. But I don't. The bulk of the money that I'm putting that on the indices and stuff like that. But like I said, I take every trade that I call. Whether it's on a smaller account, whether it looks too good, I always take it just because like that. It doesn't make sense if I'm call a trade and I don't take it myself. So I'm guessing you're looking for GBP and ZD for the buy, huh? GBP and ZD for the buy. Yeah, I just didn't see nothing today. Well, I did. Let me take that back. I did see some things, but we came late to the party. Definitely came late to the party. That's why. See, I was gonna call your cat. Glad I didn't. Why? Because it did this bullshit. Your GBP. We're looking for the sell on that one. I don't know if y'all remember that. Glad I didn't. Why? Bullshit. Your JPY. Okay, see, look. No, that wasn't it. So this one, the Euro USD we did call. It did go and hit our TP1 for those who held. Like I said, I did not hold. I took my profits. I didn't see it. I seen something I didn't like in there, so I got out of it. Took my profit and got out. But I'm aware some people did hold and some people did hit their TP1. Okay, that's good. Oil's working its way back up. Oil's a volatile pair, man. We can get if oil can just break. All we need to do is break this resistance. If we can break this resistance, then I may have to change. So looking at oil, I'm trading oil on FX Choice. Looking at oil on KOT, it's looking like people are like 10 pips and draw. So what numbers are showing right now for your broker for oil? Can y'all let me know that right now so I have an idea? Because I may have to move the TP over depending on. So if you already go look at your oil trade, this shows 47.68. What number is it showing right now for y'all? What number is it showing y'all? Can I type that in for me real quick? 4760. Okay, 4760. So that's about 10 pips. Okay. What was your entry on that, Keyshawn? Because I made those TPs based off this number, and if 4752. Okay, so Nathan, is this showing 4765 or is that your entry? You hear me, Nathan? No. Okay, the number to the left. There should be a number on the left and then the arrow to the right. Give me the number on the left. Perfect. Ooh, that thing dropped. Look at it. Oil's not one to play with, man. Yeah, oil's nothing to play with. Okay, cool. So 4750. So I'm gonna have to edit that a little bit. Let me edit that real quick. Because I did it based off of this number. I wasn't doing it on the KLT number. Okay. Yeah. So here within like maybe 15 more minutes. Okay, what number are you looking for to break in? What do you mean by break in? What do you mean by that key? Yeah. What do you mean? Like, you mean what number am I looking for to break? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think you meant break. Okay, yeah, that's probably maybe I'm messing up. If it breaks 4782, this right here, 4782, that's probably gonna be like 4077 or 4075 for you. If it breaks 4082, 83, and there's like a clean break, then yeah, this thing's gonna go all the way back, go up. Because then at this point, we know that this head and shoulders is valid. So all we're doing is waiting because I wish we had got in right there at that 40. We should right there. But all we're waiting for is for proof that this head and shoulders is valid. And how do we know it's valid? If price starts pushing up right here, that's all we need. And we know this head and shoulders is valid. And at that point, it's going to continue to keep going. We just need to break. So it's looking to gain some momentum right now. Well, you can't really be sure because oil is just wild. That's the thing. Oil can go 40 pips in like 1 second. Especially during New York session. Like you have to be spot on. That's why it was so important. So you see how oil's pushing up? See how it's going like so many quick. But that's why we had to be so disciplined with not entering right there at that 47.60. If we entered right here, we'd be up 4.64 when it got up to here. It would only be up 6 pips or 5 pips. You know what I'm saying? That's why we have to enter a little bit more down here because, you know, we didn't get this best one, but we need some confirmation because that right there, if it drops all the way back down to 47, that's 70 pips. And like, I'm not trying to be in a trade for 70 pips. Now, 50 pips, that's cool for oil. But 70 pips, like, nah. That don't make sense. Yeah, head and shoulders. So a head and shoulders is going to be, so we got 3 patterns that we need to focus on. We got this, right? This is a head and shoulders. These are the most important ones. We got a double top, right? So we got double top. That's just an M. You know, no one confuse yourself on that one. Then we got a double bottom. So so with the head and shoulders, this is going to be an inverted head and shoulders. So we're expecting price to come down, come up here, right? Come up here, come back down. This crown will be a little bit more. Come back up right here, come down again. Want the shoulders, now shoulders don't have to be aligned together. If it's come from a slant position, we have to be aware that, you know, understand the concepts. That's what's going to matter more, concepts. So at this point, we'll be predicting this buy. So we right now see the head and shoulders formation, reversal candlestick pattern. We've already seen, hey, price push down right here, came back down, push down right here, came back up, push down right here, start working its way up, right? So right now at this moment, we are hoping and we need price to do what? Break this resistance level. Price breaks this resistance level, what's the next level it has to go to? If it breaks that level, the next resistance level has to go to that. That's fine. We have a TP right there before this, TP right here. After that, what's the next level? You just got to go through them. Bam, bam. These are levels. TPs are before that. Then we have our swings, big swings. Bam, that's another level. Bam, that's another level. Swing TP before this, this, this. So, like I said, you know, all it is trading through levels. Price is going through here, then goes here, here to here, here to here. But once it breaks this, then we know it's going to start getting active. That makes any sense. Yeah, so this head and shoulders needs to be valid on the 4 hour, the 1 hour mainly. I like to look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour and the 30 minute to me is pretty good. 4 hour, even better. 1 hour would be the best though.
Hey, Derek.
What's up?
You by chance did you ever get to look at that video I sent you, bro? Or do you not do you know how to do this? Because this is annoying me.
Okay, let me look at it now.
Okay, yeah, bro. Because this I can't change these fucking colors, and I can't decide. Like I can't see if it's bullish, bearish, because all the colors are different.
Yeah. So here in like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, if it's not doing it, well, literally, like I said, I'll probably hop off. Um, I'll just hold that trade because, like I said, I do have to wake up in the morning. I was hoping that it would at least get busy during that time, but
Oh fuck.
hey, Perk,
Yo,
look at the yellow and blue one he sent me.
look at the yellow and blue one.
Yeah, on the symbols.
Senders.
Just screenshot this, the one I got. Just screenshot this. Hold on, damn. I see what you're saying. Let's see. Let me look.
Yeah, it's damn near the same.
Yeah, it's the same. Change the default settings. Reset the whole thing.
I just tried that, bro. Still not. Like when you go all the way down the template.
Yeah.
When I go to the template, go to apply default, right? And then when I go to that, it doesn't. It gives me the same. It gives me the same result.
Yeah, I don't know what to say on that one, bro.
Fuck. The fuck could it be, bro?
Okay. All right. So this thing's not moving, and I'm getting tired. But I'm holding the trade. I'm holding it. Looks good to me. If you plan on not sleeping and you don't feel like holding the trade, then you're welcome to close out and profit. I'm going to, me personally, I'm going to hold it. Me personally. Now I want to see someone do it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and call it a night. Definitely appreciate everybody for hopping on. Like I said, I'm holding all the trades that I called. But like I said, if you're about to go to sleep, you don't feel like holding, then you're more welcome to close right now. Profit. It's not that much, but something's always better than nothing. But y'all have a good night, all right?
Have a good night, my boy.
Yeah, for sure. Gotcha. All love, man.